Hey, this is Arden Cinedello with Spark Investment Group, and let's talk about some real estate and a new market I'm excited to share with you. Let me ask you a question. When you think about Augusta, Georgia, what's the first thing that comes to mind? If you're like most people, you probably think about the Masters Golf Tournament, the first major golf tournament of the season. We are all familiar with the green jacket awarded to the winner each year. The azaleas are in bloom. It's the start of spring. Augusta National fairways are pristine and manicured. The back nine on Sunday is legendary for the drama and excitement it produces. The great Jack Nicklaus won at Augusta 6 times. Tiger Woods has won there 5 times, including an historic comeback win last year. And of course, my personal favorite, Arnold Palmer won the Masters 4 times. As you can tell, golf is one of my passions, but we are here today to talk about real estate. One of the keys to successful real estate investing is to identify markets before they become front page news. Investors know that Dallas, Austin, Phoenix, Charlotte, Raleigh-Durham are great markets to invest, but the competition is so fierce, good investments are hard to find. Finding a market before it becomes popular is a key component to smart investing. I recently spent 3 days getting to know Augusta, and based on this visit, I believe the Augusta market will be one of the next markets to gain attention from real estate investors across the country. Did you know Fort Gordon, located in Augusta, is now Cyber Command Center for the entire U.S. Army? Cyber Command's move to Augusta in June 2020 consolidates 8 separate facilities located across the country and will provide a $2.4 billion annual economic impact to the region. Fort Gordon employs almost 32,000 people, both military and civilian. They are also implementing a major construction and renovation worth another $2 billion. Fort Gordon was only one of 2 Army installations not cut down during the Army's drawdown. Let's back up and talk about where Augusta, Georgia is located. It's on I-20, midway between Atlanta, Georgia, and Columbia, South Carolina, the state capital. It's 145 miles east of Atlanta and 75 miles west of Columbia. Major economic growth often occurs along interstate highways. One only needs to see what happened along I-35 between Austin and San Antonio, or along I-85 between Atlanta and Charlotte to recognize the impact of transportation on local economies. The Augusta MSA has a population of slightly over 600,000, and as people leave big cities to COVID, they tend to move to cities of Augusta's size. This demographic trend should drive rental values in Augusta. Forbes magazine has rated Augusta number 31 for low cost of doing business, which will allow them to attract more businesses, as evidenced by Atlanta being number 89 on the job growth list. Forbes also ranked Augusta in their 2020 best places to retire list. Augusta offers a cost of living 19% below the national average, high number of doctors per capita, good air quality, comfortable climate, and a low serious crime rate. Spark Investment Group looks for markets that have a diversified economies and broad-based employment. Augusta employment has typically been centered around medicine, manufacturing, and the military. With the addition of Cyber Command at Fort Gordon, cyber innovation and technology will become become the fourth leg of the employment stool. Amazon is currently building a 600,000 square foot facility that will employ 800 workers. Historic downtown Augusta is being revitalized with retail, shopping, dining, office, and residential, and has a river walk being built along the Savannah River that borders downtown. Augusta, Georgia is on the move with increasing economic growth, an affordable cost of living, and a good quality of life. I believe in a few years from now, people will say, I should have invested in Augusta. In any event, this is Arn Cinedella with Spark Investment Group. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to talking with you again. If you want to learn more about passive investing, please join the Spark Investor Club. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.